name is Chloe, if you didn't know that yet, and for today I am going to be showing you guys what's inside my backpack. And I felt that it would be very timely because it's back to school season, but if we're being honest, I actually went to school a month ago, which explains why I haven't been able to upload because I'm so busy. So I'm sorry, but what matters is I'm here now, and that's great. Before I start, I just want to say that I carry two bags to school. One is my tote bag, which is this one, and this carries my binder, my folders, my handouts, my worksheets, every paper material thing, and this also carries my laptop. So this is really handy for me, and I love tote bags a lot. Makes life easier. Love that. But the second bag that I'm going to be talking about is what this video is for, and this is what's in my school backpack. And if you guys are wondering what this bag is, this is the Herschel Nova backpack in Lavandula, I think. It's purple, and I really love this color. It's one of my favorite colors, so that's why I got it. I actually was debating whether to get this one or the Kanken one, and I figured everyone has the Kanken, and I just wanted something new for a change. No judgment to those who have a Kanken bag. I do have a Kanken bag myself, but I don't know, I just wanted something new for a change. So this is the bag, and it's just an extra small. I don't think I would need a big bag, especially since I don't put my laptop here. But if you guys were wondering if this can carry a 13-inch MacBook, it fits here. So yeah, let's start. On the side of my bag here is my water bottle. This is from Swell, and I think it's just really super important to bring a water bottle to school because you're not only saving money by you know, just refilling this, because we have lots of dispensers everywhere in the hallways. So this is just very, it saves you money, saves you time, and it also saves the environment. So I encourage everyone to bring their own water bottle, but I feel like everybody does that now anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with the first section right here. What's inside is, I have my pads in here, other feminine stuff. I have hand sanitizer just in case you want to sanitize your hands, duh. I also have my 3 essentials for makeup, and this is my skinny brow pencil from Kathy Doll. You guys know how much I live by this product. I really love it. It just works for me so much. I had to bring this one to school. I also have this Haloscope highlighter from Glossier in the shade Quartz, and this is really subtle, very natural, perfect for school. And I also have lip tint, which also doubles as a cheek tint sometimes. I just put this to look more alive. The next thing I have in here are mints, and I just like to eat these whenever I'm bored in class or after eating shawarma, because you don't want to talk to people with shawarma breath, because that's kind of weird. Next, I also have a clip for my bad hair days. So you guys have noticed I don't really know how to style my hair, so this clip is just very convenient for my bad hair days, which happens to be every single school day. So love that for myself. Next thing I have in here is this SanDisk flash drive, and this is not just a normal flash drive because it does connect to my phone. You guys can see phone, and it's just really easy for me to connect things faster, and so it's just really convenient to pass things to my teacher. So that's what's inside the front pocket. I'm just gonna go with the main compartment of this bag. I have a Shop and Do notebook, and it says Serious Businesswoman, and this just screams me, I think, because it's pink, it's very fun, and it says Serious Businesswoman, and my strand is actually ABM. If you guys did not know, I feel like nobody would know that, but my strand is ABM, and it's just very fitting for my strand. So I got this, and Shop and Do is such a cool place to buy your notebooks because they make school supplies really fun. And I don't think they only sell like school supplies, they also sell clothes, shoes, and other like work stuff. And I just don't like having boring school things because it's just, I don't know, if you're gonna go to school, you might as well make it fun, and you might as well like the stuff that you have, right? Next thing I have in here is my pencil case, and this is the famous Glossier pouch. I have so much of these, and I just didn't want them to be put to waste. Okay, so what's inside my pencil case? I don't really want to go too much into detail with everything that's in here. I'm just going to be pulling out the interesting stuff in here. I have post-it notes, a cutter, this stapler from Muji, and this is super compact, very cute. I like it. You wouldn't think this would be a stapler, but it is, because if you do this, ta-da, it's a stapler. It's really cute. I also have this scissor from Muji as well. It's very compact, and usually scissors take up the whole pencil case, but this is just perfect for me, and I really like Muji. So these are most of my Muji pens, and I have them in the color blue, pink, black, green. I also have mechanical pencils in here, my pencil refill from Muji as well. Not really super interesting, but just a bunch of random pens and highlighters. And I also have this student prayer thing that I like to read before exams. The next thing that I have in here is my wallet. I've had this for years now. I've been using this ever since I was grade 6, and it still is here, and the quality is really good. It's not like breaking or anything, so that's good for me, I guess. And I just like small coin purses. I don't think I'm gonna need like a thick wallet to school, because what do you even buy? Just food. Next, I also have this catch-all, which is from Miniso or Mumuso, but I got this in Thailand with my cousin. We actually have the same pouch. Really cute. We were like twinning. This is their Pantone collaboration. Love the color, by the way. Kind of matches my shirt right now. What's inside of here? I have pads, more pads, because you're never gonna know. I have pimple patches because I get breakouts randomly. It's really bad. I have a nail cutter in here, and you know what? I have this weird thing in school that always happens to me. I always screw up my nails in school. When I'm stressed, I guess I bite them, and just it hurts, it's painful, so I made sure to carry a nail cutter with me. I also have a lip balm. This is by the brand Blistex, and more pins, more hair clips and stuff. I have a mirror in here just in case I want to, you know, look at myself. This is the last one in here, and this is just my lifesaver. This is like an essential oil thing for your headache, for your stomach ache, for every single ache that you have. This will work, and I just love using this before tests or after long discussions, because my head just kind of starts to hurt. I also have a paracetamol in here just in case I get a headache. I also have wipes in here. These are from Watson's, and they're antibacterial. Love that. We love staying clean. I have in here, I have this ruler from Moshi Moshi, and this is actually a brand in Japan, but I got this in Thailand, and it's just really super cute. They have a lot of super adorable like stationery things, and I'm a sucker for cute pastel animal themed stationery. Next thing I have in here, I have snacks. Also have my perfume in here, and this is my secret to staying fresh. Well, not really fresh, but this is my secret to tricking people you're fresh, even if you're not, because this thing lasts forever. The scent is the best. I love this. I've been using this ever since I was grade 1, so it's basically my staple perfume, and everyone knows my scent, so this is it. If you guys were wondering what my perfume was, it's Baby Grace, my philosophy. This is my favorite calculator in the world. I know there are other calculators in there that are far more advanced, but this is my love, and I just found it in my bag. It was in my paper bag, and nobody claimed it anymore, so I got it. So whoever owns this, thank you. You didn't claim it anyway, so I guess it's mine now. But the reason why I like this is because I know the tricks, I know the shortcuts in this calculator. This is my favorite calculator, and love that. Oh, I forgot. I also have earphones in the side because music is just so important. Especially we have this independent study times in class, and we can wear our earphones while answering things, and this is just really convenient. So that is pretty much it for my bagly. I feel like the lighting in this video sucks. I'm so sorry. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment anything you like. If you guys have any suggestions, go for that. Click the subscribe button if you haven't yet, but you don't need to do that. I mean, if you want to, no pressure. This is a no pressure zone. Just do whatever you want. And that is pretty much it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.